Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So before I start this video, I'm just going to mention the obvious and what you guys have probably already noticed. And yep, I have a big pimple on my chin. So annoying, but I have named him. His name is Eddie and he will be joining us for the remainder of this video, unfortunately. So get used to seeing him. Anyways, this is going to be an eyebrow tutorial and this video was requested, and these are the brows. And I did use two different products. I used a cheaper product on this brow and I used a more expensive product on this brow. The product I use over here is just an eye pencil that I got from my local beauty supply store. It was like $150 or something, and it's just a dark brown shade. And on this brow I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. As some of you guys may know, that one retails for about $18 now, I believe. So if you're more of a beginner, I'd recommend following how I did this brow because the product is a lot cheaper and you can take your time to work with it. But if you're fancy or whatever and you've been doing brows forever, I would recommend following how I did this brow because the product is really good, but you have to know how to use it. But I don't recommend it for beginners just because it dries really quickly and you can't really take your time to work on your brows. So you just have to know exactly where to apply the product and how to work with it. So the rest of the video is probably just going to be a voiceover, so I hope you guys don't mind that. And alright, so these are my brows before I put any product on them. So this is how they look naturally. And the first thing I do is, well actually we're starting off with the left brow, and I'm using the NK eye pencil for that brow. This is the brow for the beginners, quote unquote. And I'm just going to fill in the bottom portion of my eyebrows. Then I'm just going to brush all the hairs down and fill in the top portion. And I like to do this because I like my eyebrow to be a bit thicker than they naturally are. So yeah, that's how I do it. Then I'm just going to brush them just so they can look a bit more natural. Because I usually go for a more natural eyebrow look instead of that perfectly sculpted eyebrow look. But yeah, I'm just filling them in and brushing them as I go. Then I'm just applying some concealer. This is MAC Studio Finish NC45, same color as my skin tone. And I'm just cleaning up underneath my eyebrows as well as the top. Then I'm just brushing the front part just to make it look more natural once again. Then I'm going with my tweezers and just tweezing the little hairs that have grown and that don't belong here. I usually clean up my eyebrows before I tweeze them. I think it's just a lot easier that way because I know what shape I want already, so I'm just going to remove the hairs that just don't belong there. And this is what it looks like with one eyebrow done. You can see the difference, obviously. And this is the right brow, and this is what it looks like before. And with this one, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade with an angle brush, and I'm just applying that to the center of my eyebrows first. Because if you apply it to the front part, then it's just going to be too dark in that area. So, and I'm using it in the shade dark brown, by the way. So yeah, I apply it and I use pretty much the same concept as the left brow. I just apply the product and brush it through. And I like this product because it is sweat proof and oil proof, so it will stay in place until you're ready to remove it. Then I'm just using the same concealer just to clean up underneath. And the top as well. So yeah, pretty much the same process on both brows, just using different products just to show you guys a slight difference. And I'm just going to tweeze the little hairs at the bottom. And yep, that's the finished look. These are my brows. I know they don't look identical, but your eyebrows are supposed to be sisters, not twins, so I'm totally okay with that. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video will be helpful to some of you. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and subscribe to my channel. See you soon!